Welcome back to another explainer. I am honestly so thrilled to have you focused learners here today because we're looking at a brand new tool that's going to completely change the way you study, draft, and organize your ideas. We are talking about a massive update coming to Google Docs called Docs Live. Listen, if you've ever suffered from blank page syndrome, that paralyzing feeling when you sit down to write an essay or start a project and just cannot type that first word, this explainer is exactly what you need. We're going to look at how you can bypass the keyboard entirely and literally speak your first draft right into existence.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. First, the speed of voice. Second, a blank page solution. Third, structuring with a table. Fourth, keeping your personal voice. Then we'll go over 2 questions for practice, and finally wrap up with the future of Docs Live.
All right, Section 1, the speed of voice. Before we even get to the tech, let's just acknowledge a universal struggle. Ever stared blankly at a Google Doc? I know I have. You've got the assignment guidelines, you've done all the reading, you might even have an outline scribbled in a notebook somewhere. But when it actually comes time to start typing those first few paragraphs, your brain just completely freezes. It's like typing feels incredibly permanent, right? And the friction between thinking of a great idea and actually getting your fingers to type it out perfectly, well, it can completely derail your momentum.
So, Docs Live operates on this absolutely fascinating premise, getting things done at the speed of your voice. It lets you just verbally brain dump whatever is on your mind in real time, and it lets Gemini do the heavy lifting of actually formatting and gathering the info. Just imagine talking through your assignment out loud, exactly like you'd explain it to a friend, and watching it instantly turn into a working document. It's a total game changer.
Moving right along to Section 2, a blank page solution. To really wrap our heads around how powerful this is, I want to share a real-time story from the Google product team's demo. So a software engineer realized he needed to prep some talking points for his high school's career day alumni talk. He's staring at a blank page, totally unsure where to start explaining his complex job to a bunch of teenagers. But instead of typing, he just started talking to Docs Live. Check this out. Step 1, he just brain dumped his topic out loud, literally saying he needed to explain his job. Step 2, he realized he needed his background info, so he simply asked the document, "Can you just pull my resume from Drive?" Step 3, recognizing that a resume is kind of boring for high schoolers, he said, "Can you come up with some funny analogies so it'll be more engaging?" And finally, Step 4, he remembered an email with the event details, so he just told Docs Live to grab the logistics from Gmail and throw them right at the top of the doc. Guys, he verbally built this incredibly complex first draft across multiple Google apps without typing a single word. No way, right?
Which brings us to Section 3, structuring with a table.
So you've just verbally brain dumped all this info, and naturally it can get a little messy. If you're a student pulling from 3 different research papers and your own messy notes, a giant block of text just isn't very helpful. Let's look at how voice commands actually build your document structure. Here's a simple table showing the voice commands from the demo on the left and their immediate benefits on the right. When the engineer said, "Grab details from Gmail and throw them at the top," the result was that it instantly centralized his logistics. He knew exactly where to go and when. But the real magic hit when he looked at his document and thought, this is a little dense. He just gave the voice command, "Format the analogies as a table." And instantly, the AI reorganized his brain dump. The benefit there? It made the whole document incredibly easy to scan. Just think about that for your own study guides. You could literally speak your notes out loud and say, "Format the differences between mitosis and meiosis as a table," and boom, your study material is visually organized.
Next up, Section 4, keeping your personal voice.
Now, you might be wondering, with all this talk about AI pulling data and formatting tables, is this actually still going to sound like me? The answer is a resounding yes. The AI is your assistant here, not the author. Listen to this specific command from that engineer's demo. While formatting his talk, he literally said, "Tell the story about how my brother inspired me to become a software engineer and bold it so I don't miss it." By using voice commands, you can just directly insert your own personal anecdotes, your own unique arguments, and your lived experiences right into the flow of the document. You can even tell the program exactly how to visually emphasize your personal touches, like asking it to bold that specific story. You are the director. Docs Live is really just your stenographer.
All right, moving to Section 5, 2 questions for practice.
Okay, it's time to take all this amazing tech out of the theoretical space and put it right into your actual academic workflow. Active learning is for sure the best way to retain information, so I want you to really think about this first question.
If you use Docs Live right now, what Drive file would you pull from? Think about an assignment you have due this week. Do you have a PDF of a reading assignment saved in your Drive? Maybe some notes from a lecture? Just imagine opening a blank document, clicking a button, and just saying, hey, pull the key arguments from my History 101 notes in Drive and summarize them here. You completely bypass the entire tedious process of searching, opening files, copying, pasting, and tabbing back and forth.
And here is your second question for practice. What specific formatting would you ask Gemini to apply to your brain dump? Let's say you've just spent 5 minutes pacing around your dorm room, speaking your thoughts on an English essay out loud to your computer. What do you tell it to do next? Would you say, organize these thoughts into an intro, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion? Or maybe, highlight all my thesis statements in yellow? Or even, format my primary sources as a bulleted list? Start imagining those specific commands that will make your personal studying and writing process significantly faster.
And finally, Section 6, the future of Docs Live.
You're probably super eager to get your hands on this tool, so let's quickly look at the rollout. Docs Live is officially launching this summer, specifically for Google's Pro and Ultra subscribers. But here's the best part. It's not stopping at Google Docs. These exact same powerful voice capabilities are coming soon to Gmail and Google Keep too. Imagine being able to verbally draft a complex email to your professor while you're literally walking across campus, or verbally organizing a grocery and to-do list in Keep without ever having to tap your screen. I really want to leave you with this final thought. We've seen how you can brain dump your thoughts, pull resources directly from your Drive, format them into tables, and still retain your totally unique personal story, all just by speaking. So how will writing at the speed of your voice change your blank pages? Will it finally help you overcome writer's block? Will it make your studying way more efficient? Think about it and get ready to revolutionize the way you work. Thanks so much for joining me on The Explainer today, and keep learning.